Carbide burr tools have become an indispensable asset for craftsmen and hobbyists alike, especially when it comes to carving detailed patterns in wood or shaping metal components for custom parts. Their unique construction and versatility make them perfect for tackling both delicate and demanding tasks that require precision, durability, and efficiency. At the heart of a carbide burr's effectiveness lies its material composition. Carbide, a compound much harder than steel, is crafted from a blend of carbon and tungsten. This exceptional hardness allows the tool to maintain a sharp cutting edge far longer than traditional steel burrs, even under intense use. This durability is crucial when working with hardwoods, metals, or other tough materials, as it ensures a consistent, clean cut without frequent tool changes. When carving intricate patterns in wood for furniture, carbide burrs excel by offering a level of control and detail that few other tools can match. Their small rotary cutting heads come in a wide variety of shapes, including cylindrical, spherical, flame, and conical, each tailored for specific carving effects. For example, a ball-shaped burr can be used to create smooth, rounded hollows in a wooden surface, while a pointed flame burr is ideal for etching fine lines or adding delicate textures. This variety empowers artisans to bring even the most complex designs to life, from ornate floral motifs to geometric patterns and beyond. The precision of carbide burrs also stems from their compatibility with rotary tools and die grinders, which spin the burr at very high speeds. This high rotational velocity enables the burr to shave away material smoothly, reducing the risk of splintering or chipping the wood. The control offered by these tools lets users guide the burr along tight curves, deep recesses, or into narrow corners, areas that might be impossible to reach with chisels or sandpaper. As a result, carbide burrs are ideal for creating detailed relief carvings, decorative inlays, or custom furniture accents that require both finesse and accuracy. But the utility of carbide burrs extends far beyond woodworking. In metalworking, these tools prove just as valuable for shaping, deburring, and finishing custom parts. The hardness of carbide allows the burr to cut through metals such as steel, aluminum, brass, and even titanium with ease. This makes them a go-to choice for fabricators, machinists, and automotive enthusiasts who need to modify or fine-tune metal components. When shaping metal, carbide burrs can be used to smooth rough edges left by cutting, remove excess welds, enlarge holes, or sculpt complex shapes and contours. Their resilience to heat and wear means they maintain their form even after prolonged contact with hard metals, ensuring consistent results throughout the project. The precision offered by the burr allows for subtle adjustments, making it possible to achieve tight tolerances or create custom fits that would be difficult by hand. Another advantage of carbide burrs is their ability to produce a clean finish. Unlike abrasive grinders or files, which can leave behind scratches or uneven surfaces, a sharp carbide burr slices through material, leaving behind a smoother, more professional appearance. This reduces the need for extensive finishing work, saving time and effort during the production process. Whether you're an artisan crafting one-of-a-kind wooden furniture or a machinist fabricating custom metal parts, carbide burr tools offer unmatched versatility, precision, and durability. Their ability to tackle both intricate detail work and heavy-duty shaping makes them an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their craftsmanship and achieve results that are both functional and beautiful. With the right burr in hand, the possibilities for creativity and innovation are virtually limitless.